There's no seriousness from their side also, but our intention is very clear. We just want to be structured.
Let's have a question about
See, why violation now? Violation of 144 in itself is, if there is more than three people to watch it. See, we are going just three of us. Just MLAs are going. Just MLAs are going. Our people will be there. Just three of us will be going and will be coming back
I
here.
request you
No. See, yang ini seperti ini, nadu meneng yang keren posisi. Our intention is very clear. Kajingan ini keriban demonstration. Our intention is Bansyong nanti hampir clear. Nadu sipo, nadu South Stick. Kita kalau very clear. Henry, nomor berbiang bakalong kita, we respect. Yong and we let us go through. Just go through and we'll come back here. So what is there? Ni long ham se.
We appeal to your sense of leadership, sir. Please help us, sir. We appeal to your sense of
See,
leadership.
I'm not talking as
as
a public representative. I'm talking as a citizen of this country. I have every right.
Citizen of this country, I request you, please, sir.
I have every right.
One citizen to another citizen.
And I'm not taking everyone. We are going. We are guaranteed. See, they are there. They are there. They are there. They are there. See, they are there. You can guarantee. I'm going alone. I'm alone. Just three of us. Otherwise, we cannot go on for till 4:30. We will be here. We cannot just. We have been patient enough for so long.
No use of force, stop. No use of force. No, sir, please. No use of force.
Ya, jangan berjalan.
Ingat tentu.
See, we have been telling very clear right from the start.
We have allowed you to stand here for so long, more than 2 hours, sir, and then we have listened to you also.
Just let us go.
That is what we are not supposed to allow.
Just three of
It's
us.
not about that. It's about orders. We have ourselves.
See,
allowed
ladaya
to run over.
ladaya kipriyo banabar bawan gas jongki sya thang ini. As a concerned citizen of the state, ngamla banyak ini cakala jong. Yung kaputas ujung kolong ba from 10 to 40. They will sit there in front of the secretariat. But then so there di batai mati. Okay, imle kata. But just let us go through. Just three of us. You kata. Are we a threat?
Three of us.
Come shot.
Kang ini.
Are we a threat? of the UNCTAD. So because of that,
So
any sort of demonstration.
That's what.
So, if you shop peacefully, we can arrange for you on the parking lot, bulky playground. We are ready to allow you to do a demonstration.
But then, okay, I understood that. But then just right from the start itself, just allow us to just go.
So happen to go to court, happen to him that the hung you, sir.
Hey, break tactic bro. Hey, break tactic. Break tactic. Break tactic. What tactic? What
Control, suka form.
Sai. Rite. Sai. Rite.